Dímelo, 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 mi gente, what's going on? Welcome back. Thank you for coming and stopping by and watching my videos. All of you that subscribe, thank you. Much love, guys. Thank you so much. While you're here and you are my subscribers, don't forget to share and like this video and tell your friends, oh, mira, tipo, come mierda, he's giving fucking bringing more, blah, blah. Whatever. Get them to watch. If they like, they can subscribe, you know. But get the word out. For all of you new guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. With that being said, guys, I am excited to talk about this fragrance today because I have had it sitting in my collection, and I've overlooked it. I overlooked it, and it's a cheapy that I got at good old TJ Maxx. And I noticed it the other day. It's still in the box, laying there. So, you know, I'm talking too much shit already. Without further ado, let's rock and roll. So yeah, man, this is a, you know, one of those wonderful TJ Maxx deals that I picked up for $14.99. $14.99. It's $14.99. It's $14.99. Cheap ass shit. Woo! I love it. Anyways. A little bit too much drinking. Anyways, and I still have it in the box. I'm anal as shit. I do weird shit. My wife hates it. Anyways, I have none other Riviera English Laundry, caballero. Wow! This stuff is very, very nice. Mira, first time I do any of this stuff with the boxes and stuff like that. I don't know. It says ingredients. You know what? I've never even looked at that. What is that? Flammable. Holy shit. Thank God I stopped smoking years ago. Because I go up in flame. Mentira. I'm full of crap today. Anyways, but look how cool this is. Now watch this bottle fall out. Look how cool that is, right? Isn't that nice, snazzy? But the box is kind of shitty. Anyways, whatever. I have a bunch of English laundries, and you know the boxers are kind of cute. You know, they're kind of cool with the, you know. And I kept them. I keep them like this in my collection. So I have 4 English laundries that I picked up. I have this one. I have Notting Hill. I have Cambridge Nights, which I already did a review on, and I have Windsor. I'll do a review on that one. This puppy right here. Coño, bro. Caballero, this is nice. Look at that. I see, you can tell I've used the shit out of that. Dude, this is really nice. This is, I mean, it's, what can I tell you about this fragrance? It's, you know, it's a freshie. You know, I love my freshies. But this is a fresh, citrusy, powdery to my nose. It's kind of powdery. It has kind of like that, you know, not really like a neroli feel, but it's got like a little powdery. You know, it's kind of like, it's got like a little baby powder feel, but it's not, doesn't smell like baby powder. It does not. Oh, mierda. It's not. But it does smell really nice. And this guy here, it's a great fragrance. There's not much I can tell you. And for $14.99, fuck out of here. It's phenomenal. This shit is awesome. Awesome. But yeah, this opens up very fresh, very citrusy. The dry down on this turns into this nice, smooth, creamy, powdery scent. It's like a creamy, powdery scent, if that makes any sense. that stays that way throughout the rest of the dry down, which the dry down to me is like, oh, it's the only thing that's important. It's the only thing that's worth anything. But it smells really, really nice. Longevity on this is pretty good. It's not as good as Cambridge Nights. That one's a beast. That one's a beast. I already did a review on that. But this guy here, he lasts pretty long. This is a very mass appealing fragrance. It smells really nice. Great for summer, great for spring. You can get away with this in fall. I mean, you know, I would venture to say, I'm going to be so bold as to say, this would be a year-round fragrance. Why not? Why not? This isn't bad. You don't have to always wear those, you know, coffee, vanilla, and tobacco scents, you know, for the winter. You can always wear, you know, something like this. I mean, it's not... It's nice. It's nice. Anyways, that's a wrap. English Laundry Riviera. You feel like you're on the Riviera on a boat, on a yacht, con tremendas mommy hanging out with you. Hey, party time! This smells good, sophisticated, and it feels like $1 million. Anyways, thank you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. That was a little quick and dirty. That's what she said. Little review on English Laundry Riviera. If you gotten your nose on it, you know, hit me up, comment. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we share the same view. But if you can, venture out to TJ Maxx and see if you can find this puppy for $14.99. Because even if it smells like piss, no, I wouldn't get it. No, because I'm gonna leave it like that. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Much positive energy, much love. I'm trying to make perfect sense here. I'll see you guys in the next one.